guys, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time, make sure you subscribe. For my returning subscriber, thank you for always here. This video we are going to learn how to cut armhole. How to cut armhole without measuring your length. Let's jump right to the video. In today's video, we are going to make use of 40 inches measurement for the bust. If you are going to cut a armhole for your clients, you are going to make use of the bust, the shoulder length. And shoulder length today, I'm going to use 60 inches for the shoulder length, and the bust I'm going to use 40 inches. When you are cutting bust, you divide your bust measurement by 4, and 40 divided by 4 is 10 inches. While your shoulder length, you divide it by 2, and 16 divided by 2 is 8. Let's take the measurements on our brown paper. You fold your material like this. You fold your material into 2. First of all, when you fold your material into 2, you get the shoulder line. Your shoulder line, you mark your shoulder line. Mark your shoulder lines. After marking your shoulder lines, you measure your shoulder length, and the shoulder length is 8. If you are cutting clothes with if you are cutting clothes with puff sleeve, if you are cutting clothes with puff sleeve, you will not add allowance to your shoulder length. But if you are cutting clothes with plain sleeve without puff, you add allowance. So I'm adding allowance of ½ inch. Make it 8½. If you want to get the measurement of your armhole, that 40, the bust, which is 40, when you divide it by 4, you divide your bust by 4, which is 10, and you minus it. You minus 1 from it. I'll put it on the screen so that you understand what I'm saying, which is 9. So when you measure 9 inches downward, from that 9 inches, to get your shoulder slant, you measure minus 1 at the hop here. Then you now measure your bust measurement. Measurement divided by 4, which is 10. Then you add your sewing allowance. In this place, I'm adding ½ inches as sewing allowance. Make it 10½. Then you connect all of them together. Make a measurement here, which is 8½, so that your measurement will be accurate. Then you connect all together. Then this way also. From this shoulder slant to your bust line, you divide it by 2. Then when you divide it by 2, it will be 4. Make 4 inches. From here to here, you now take your armhole curve. You can use hand, you can use your master planner. I'm taking it this way. Mind you, this armhole is for the back. If you are cutting back armhole, this one is for the back armhole. If you are cutting the front armhole, you measure from the middle of this one. From the middle of this armhole, you measure ½ inch inside. From this ½ inch, you connect from here to here, then to this your bust line. Let's connect it together. I hope you get what I'm saying. If you not understand, please comment down below. I'll explain. So, and this, for this one, this side is for back armhole, while here is for front armhole. So, and this, for this one, this side is for back armhole, while here is for front armhole. This one is back armhole, while here is front armhole. Thank you for watching. In my next video, bye.